Many learners use, although every time they want to say 虽然 a. Grammatically, this is fine, but in real English, overusing although is one of the fastest ways to sound like a textbook. 在考试中 although 是高分连接词，但在真实口语里，母语者更关心的是信息顺序，而不是连接词本身。Listen to this sentence. Although it was raining, we decided to go out. This is correct, but it sounds written. In natural speech, native speakers are much more likely to say, it was raining, but we decided to go out. Notice the difference. The second version puts the situation first and the decision after. It follows how people actually think and speak. Now look at another common example. Although he is young, he is very experienced. In real English, this often becomes he's young, but he's very experienced. Shorter, clearer, more natural. This doesn't mean although is wrong. It means although belongs more to writing, reports, and exams. In speaking, contrast is usually handled by but, even though, or just sentence order. Now let's talk about a word many learners confuse with although. Despite. Despite is not a conjunction. It is a preposition. You say, despite the rain, we went out. You do not say, despite it was raining. That structure is wrong, but it appears very often in learner English. If you want a full sentence after it, you need despite the fact that. Despite the fact that it was raining, we went out. This is grammatically correct, but very heavy in speech. That's why native speakers rarely say it in conversation. They simply choose an easier structure. Here's a very practical rule. If you are writing, although and despite are great. If you are speaking, ask yourself a simpler question. Can I just split the sentence and use but? When you stop forcing exam-style connectors into spoken English, your sentences immediately sound more relaxed and more real. Correct English is important, but natural English is about choosing the structure that fits the situation.